guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, which I'm super excited about because I finally have enough PR kind of gathered up and saved up that I can do that for you. And I also have some stuff that I bought today, so it's going to be a mini haul. I am going to go through this box from Benefit. A couple of months ago I won their 8 million follower giveaway. They sent me all of this, which is a huge, there's over $500 worth of makeup in here, so I'm gonna go through it all finally. Thank you, Benefit. First of all, this was really sweet and I feel so lucky to have won this. So the first thing in here is the Work It Girl kit, which comes with all of these. And then we have the world famous lips kit. And then the Ooh La Lift Instant Under Eye Brightening Boost. And the Dallas Dusty Sunset Plum Powder. I think it's a bronzer. It's this kind of dark dusty brown, which looks really nice. There's a bunch of these in here, so I'm just gonna show you the colors, I think. Hervana, which is a blush, I believe, and that is kind of like a swirl almost of colors, which is really interesting. Coralista, and this is, I think, a blush as well. This one has sort of a shimmery element to it though. The Dandelion little twinkle highlighter. I wanted this so bad when it came out and I just got so distracted by other stuff, but now I have one. Air Patrol BB Cream Eyelid Primer. The Specialist Dream Screen Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. Yeah, it's sunscreen. I've actually never tried any of Benefit's skincare products, so I'm pretty interested to see how these work. And then I have the Triple Performing Facial Emulsion Lotion. That sounds really cool. The It's Potent Brightening Eye Cream to fade dark circles. We have That Gal Brightening Face Primer. Next we have, a full size of the Pore Fessional. I've never had a full size before. I've only ever had like the tiny ones. Yay! Thank you, Benefit. I'm so excited. Pore Fessional. Subtle Brow Enhancing Highlights. Interesting. Oh, another 3D brow tones in the color Copper. There's another one in here. This is Magenta. This is purple metallic eyebrow gel. Ooh, and then I also have the Pearl Primer. I wanted to try this. Ooh, and then Stay Don't Stray Light Medium Primer for concealers and eyeshadows. Last but not least is this little grooming tweezer and brush. Wow, that is a ton of makeup. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is very exciting. I, a long time ago, ordered a sample from Makeup Eraser and I loved it. But because I liked this one so much, I went out and I bought 2 for myself because I love them. These things are magical. I use these to take my makeup off, to wash my face. I love how soft they are and you can just throw them in the washer. This one I've actually already used and washed and it looks like it's brand new still, so you can throw them in the washer and the dryer. But this is fantastic for getting your makeup off of your face. This kit is actually the first one that I got and I was very, very excited about this kit. It's adorable. I love this kind of pearly holographic opaly bag, and this actually comes with a headband and a makeup eraser and the cute bag, and this was 20 bucks. And actually I have a code for you. It's not an affiliate code, it's just a discount code. If you use the code MaddieJ15 you can save 15% off of your order, which is fantastic. And then the next thing I want to talk about is I am part of Influencer. They send you products and you review them. You give them an honest review, and a lot of the time they will send you things that haven't even like hit the shelves yet, which is very cool. The best part is when you're reviewing and posting photos, your photos enter you into a contest to win, like usually it's like the entire collection of whatever you're trying. So the last one that I did, I actually was one of the winners, and it was for the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip lipstick. And so they sent me this Healthy Lip velvet finish in all natural nude, and this looks like a really, really nice universal nude, and a little congrats thing. So thank you, Influencer and Physicians Formula, for sending this to me. Another thing that Influencer sent me is this Fountain of Truth box, and this is a new skincare line by Juliana Rancic. Fountain of Truth is a clean, anti-aging beauty line that is safe, effective, and super luxurious. I hope you love it as much as I do. In this box is the Truth Insta Face Lift Elixir. I will open it up and take a look. I have not looked inside this box yet, so I'm very excited to see what these look like. It's rose gold and white, which is beautiful, and the way you open it is you just go like that. How cool is that? And I love that because I have a toddler, so baby-proof skincare is always appreciated. And then I also have the Good Day Souffle Hydrating Moisturizer, which is, oh no, wait. Looks like they actually sent me something different than that. They sent me the Dream Cream Overnight Repair Mask. So I will give this a try instead. It has a very, very light scent, which I like. Okay, and then the last thing in here is the Honey Glow Mask. It looks like honey, but it smells really, really good. There's 1.7 fluid ounces in here, so that's pretty cool. That's quite a bit, actually. If you are interested in joining Influencer, then I will put a link below in the description box for how to join and how to get that started. Okay, the last thing to unbox, this is from Rituals, and Rituals has actually sent me something before. This is the Ritual of Sakura Sensational Foaming Shower Gel, and this is in the scent Organic Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom. I actually love these. I've bought a couple of these in the full size. I have the orange one. This is a really nice brand for kind of luxury bath products, and I really, really like them. So thank you, Rituals, for sending this to me. Last but not least, I'm gonna go through the mini haul of things that I got today. I went to TJ's. I got my favorite hairspray. This stuff is usually like $19 or $20 a bottle. So I found this for 10 bucks at TJ Maxx. This stuff is super, super lightweight feeling. Like my hair just feels kind of like hair, you know? Doesn't feel like a crispy shell, but it's staying together really, really well. And then I got some cute tissue paper. I was attracted by the pine because I love that pattern. I also fell in love with these because I love big, fun, bouncy bows for my presents. And then I got, some Bedhead Foxy Curls Extreme Curl Mousse. I've never tried this before, but I'm obsessed with Bedhead right now, so I'm also using Bedhead shampoo and conditioner. So I think I might be a little bit of a fan. So I'm gonna give this a try and see how it works for my curls. Oh, I got some candles because I don't have any Christmas candles. They're by, oh, what do you know, DW Home. That's my favorite brand for candles. They're inexpensive and they smell delicious, and the wax quality is really, really nice. So this is white pine, and it smells kind of like sweet pine. And then my son messed with this one, but this is apple cider, which is also really sweet. It smells much more like caramel apple, if you ask me. Last but not least, from this haul, I got this really cute, big, chunky gray cardigan. It looks enormous, but this is actually a small, and it's so soft and like chunky. I've been looking for a gray cardigan for a while because it's a staple and somehow I don't have one. And I think that about wraps it up. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to keep posting as frequently as I can. So stay tuned, don't give up on me. I'm just really busy right now. Leave a comment if you have any questions and I will let you know. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!